that's also free. Then this one. Free. Turn it. Yep. Bolt out. Make sure to catch the little spacers here. It's cold. Fingers are freezing. Up. Turn it a bit. Yep. There we go. Get the spacer. Oh man, it's really freezing. Yep, spacer and bolt outs. Nice. So, one over there. Yep. 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 Oh, don't dribble my camera. And drive axle will be coming off pretty soon. Man, really. Okay, up. Number 5. And then the last one. Yeah. I'm gonna take a rack. An extra rack. Up. Get the grease off my tools. Yep. All right. Yep. And hopla. You can see the drive axle is coming. It is free. So by this point we can remove it, as you can see. Yeah, normally there's some room to wiggle it. It seems to be tight, pretty tight, and on the inside we can see the joints. So now I'm gonna break free the other side. We can just take it out. If you turn the wheel, take it out. There should be enough room, and we can normally take it out over here, but maybe the caliper has to come off. I ordered new blocks, so it has to come off. Anyway, so yeah. Looks like if you turn it, there might be enough room to drop it a bit, push it over here and then over there. We'll find out in a second. Yipla. So it cannot pass over here because of the shock. Nope. So it has to come out right over here, and we're gonna take off the caliper to make life a bit easier. If we spin it like this, there should be enough room to flip it out, take it over here. Let's put away the bolts. And check it out. This is number 7. Normally, yep, there seems to be an issue with the other one. Older cars, always issues somewhere. These ones are the dust caps on the caliper, and this dust cap seems to be swallowed in. So we'll remove it from under the car. Up, 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 up. These ones over here. Got a special tool. Pick it out. Up. And yep, as you can see, the dust boot is a bit weird on this one. Yep. And number 7, take off the caliper. Yep. Little one will be good. Yep. I have my wrench here. So, yep. I'll take the longer one, of course. Oh boy, it's getting late. And we have to compress the caliper a bit, of course, so we can take out the brakes a little bit more easy. Just put your screwdriver in. Look, and you can see the caliper move a bit. Up. You can hear it also. Up. Take out the spring. Pretty easy. Just slide this one in there, like this. This is the same system on most cars, most European cars. Then number 7 goes in. Mr. Lever. This is broken loose, free, and the other one, bam! And now we can take them off. Or instead of sitting here half an hour, we can take them to Milwaukee again. Yep. If you gently pull it out while such a tool is spinning, it comes out completely.